A very cool thing about this screwdriver is that now, everything aside, let's get to the cube. This cube is extremely soft, and out of the box impressions, I must say, it was really nice.
Nice.
And I have owned a GAN before, so I say this with experience, and I must say that it's a combination of a GAN and the Douyin Tengen. I made a review on the Douyin Tengen right here. You can check it out. So the tensioning system is as vast as the Douyin Tengen, and the feel of this cube is as a GAN. Now, the way you tension this is you open the cap, center cap. You see, just like the Douyin Tengen, there's two numbers. So if my camera can focus, there's a hole in the core here, and that's the tensioning, which makes it tighter. And the number inside this hole, the inside hole, is the number of the different setting. Now the magnet system is very vast. With all the lube in my hand, I can now show you guys how the magnet system works. So basically there's three dots, and there's a minus sign and a plus sign. So those are the 5 settings of magnets on each of the centerpieces. And the corner pieces don't have any. So you have to change just 9 of the settings, and then your cube's magnet setting will be changed. The lines you see there is because I tried out a few solves. Now this cube's tensioning system can be a bit confusing, and I must say even I found it confusing at first. So if you would like me to make a tensioning tutorial video, tell me, and then in the comments down below, and then I'll make one detailed, and I'll also show all the loops that I put. Now in the very hard to open box of the RS3M 2021 comes a Moyu stand in typical RS3M fashion. I have owned the RS3M 2020 and the 2021 now. So the cube came very loose. Then I had to put one of the 3 loops that I bought from Cube Lelo. The cube came out very loose, but I must say, if you can tension it to your setting, it can be really personalized along with a lot of different types of loops. And in typical RS3M fashion, there's not too much in the box. There's something in Chinese. I think it's how to reassemble the cube. Then there's the tensioning tool, which is basically all of it. And then this is an extra maglev core piece. So you might be thinking, why would I waste my money on another RS3M 2021 when I already have a 2020 version of this? Now that is a question I'll be answering. So what this cube doesn't have is springs, which is really surprising because a cube without springs shouldn't really function well. But as you can see, there's a screw in there, and you can hear absolutely no springs. One spring sound problem is also gone because of maglev technology, and the magnets open up to a lot more possibilities, and the spring might not even get damaged after like a year or two, so that's really good.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck.